If you have a house in Bexley, Ohio, and you're looking to sell because you're going through a divorce, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in and around Bexley, Ohio on the sale of their house. And people love working with us, especially people going through a divorce when selling their Bexley house, because we're the easy button. This is very simple. The last thing you need, if you have a divorce on your plate and you're kind of working through this, last thing you need is more complexity and to make things more complicated and to add stress to the already somewhat stressful situation. Right? Breakups are not easy, but the sale of the property can be easy. And that's exactly what we do, and we've been doing for a long time. So the reason people like working with us and the way we keep it easy is we are a true as-is buyer for your Bexley house. That means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away, and we do everything. You can take anything that you want out of the house. The conversation is very simple. Even the appliances, if you want to keep the appliances, by all means, take anything you want out of the house, and then anything you just don't want or don't need, you can leave behind. We'll either dispose of it for you or we'll donate it, but we're here to keep it simple from beginning to end. And what allows us to do that is we're a cash buyer. So we're not relying on a lender. We're not relying on a bank, a mortgage company to approve this transaction, because when you're working with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage, they're going to send the lender through, they're going to do a formal appraisal, formal inspection, they're going to nitpick the house. More than likely, they're going to want you to make repairs. And now that goes back to the divorce conversation. Who's going to pay for the repairs? How are you going to get reimbursed? Money is never a good conversation when you're dealing with your ex. I'm sorry. We're all adults here. We can keep it real like that. The best thing you could do is sell where you don't have to put out any money out of pocket. The last thing you want is money out of pocket. The first thing you want is to sell the house and get money, because you could divvy up the money. You guys can move on. Sell the house. You don't want these financial obligations and these side agreements going on right now within the divorce. And that's why people like working with us. We're going to buy it as is, and we're going to buy it for cash. So we don't need to rely on a bank. We don't need these formal inspections and appraisals or anything like that. And we can close on your timeline. And this is often overlooked, but very important. We'll close quickly if you need us to close quickly, or we could be flexible if you need us to set a future date and kind of coordinate things. By all means, you dictate the closing date. This is not some outside lender telling you when you could close. You tell us when you want to close. So you're going to have certainty, you're going to have clarity, and it's going to help you move on and just give you the relief that you want. Right? If you're ready to move on, the last thing you want is lingering financial stuff. Close the house, divvy up the cash, and move on. That's what we're here to do for you without added stress or added complexity. So if you have a house in Bexley and you're looking to sell because of a divorce, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When we get on the phone, we just need more information on the house, and we just need more information on your timeline. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Bexley house. If our offer works for you, fantastic. We'll move forward. We're going to keep it simple. It's a one-page agreement. There is no costs to you whatsoever, no commissions or fees, and there's no fine print or fancy language. We're talking about here's the price, here's the closing date. That's pretty much what we do. And if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. We're local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because we are neighbors. I don't live far from the house in Bexley. And, we're not some call center who's trained with sales scripts here, who's going to pressure you and make you sign something, create this fake urgency. No. Very, very real. That's why we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials, as you can see, either on our YouTube channel or on our website. And we would aim to make you a positive testimonial as well, create a positive experience together here. And, we can't work with everybody, but everybody that we do work with, we're able to really get this thing done. I know we can work with you as well. So our number here is 614-300-5151. Our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. We've been at this for a long time. You're already selling because of a stressful situation. You don't need more stress in your life. Call us to keep it easy, and that's exactly what we're going to do. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.